Hey everyone, welcome back to DGLEE Films. Today's episode of our tutorials and tips series, we will be discussing editing, one of the most crucial parts of filmmaking. These days, there are so many flashy transitions and editing techniques which can be very cool and very effective, but can be easily overused, making your videos feel more about transitions rather than the story that you're trying to tell. That's why I want to share some editing techniques that can be used instead. These techniques are just as effective and in many cases can help convey your message even better. Let's get into it. Traditional editing techniques. First up is cutting on the beat. This is when you align your cuts with the rhythm of your music or an audio cue. It's such a simple technique, but it creates a natural flow that feels satisfying to watch. Think montages, fast-paced sequences, or music-driven scenes. But remember, less is more. If you cut on every single beat, then it can start to feel very predictable, so use it selectively. If you want to see an example of a video that uses a lot of audio cues, check out this video where I make instant noodles in the style of Edgar Wright. Next are J-cuts and L-cuts. These are timeless techniques that help your edits feel smooth and immersive. A J-cut is when the audio from the next scene starts playing before the visual cut. Good tea. While an L-cut is when the audio from the current scene carries over to the next shot. They're subtle and they keep the flow natural and can even be used to help convey what the character may be feeling. Another technique is cutting to the composition of your frame. This is all about making your edits feel visually connected. For example, if you're cutting from a wide shot to a close-up, keep the subject in a consistent position within the frame. It's seamless and keeps your audience focused on the story rather than the edit. Finally, let's talk about match cuts using movement. A match cut links two shots by matching movement between them. This can be literally matching the same movement with two different angles, but it can be used more creatively. For example, you could cut from someone closing a door in one scene to someone slamming a book shut in the next. This technique is creative and dynamic, making your transitions feel intentional yet smooth. So those are 4 traditional editing techniques that can help you create seamless, impactful stories. But always remember, the primary goal of editing is to enhance the storytelling, not to show off the editor's skills. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helps you on your videography journey. If you found it helpful, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to help support this channel. I will see you on the next one.